looking.
1. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the intonation.
1. Why did you decide to study abroad?
2. What is your major?
3. When are you going to apply for the scholarship?
4. How long will it take you to complete the exam preparation course?
5. Where are you going to work during your internship?
2. Listen and mark the rising, comma or falling, comma intonation for each question.
1. What qualifications have you got?
2. Have you chosen a university to continue your education?
3. Where are you going during your gap year?
4. Have you been searching for postgraduate scholarships?
5. How can we apply for an internship?